Have this ever happened? The rain. Michael is being stupid because he's leaving his cell phone in the rain.
Yeah.
Is he that stupid? But look at that! Marvelous! It's a rainbow! That's part of it! That's part of the rainbow! You know from Wizard of Oz, like that. I can see the rainbow in the rainbow.
No!
In the rainbow too. There's another one! Do you see it, folks? I think you should see it. No, you don't see it because you're fat. You're fat and you're blind! You're fat! What? Your brother's what? Kev, you're so stupid! Kev, rainbows do not have ends. Wait, what, Gordon? As you can see, the rain is coming to the east. And my phone is really gonna die, but I'm getting an iPhone, maybe. Don't tell my mom. Hey, Kevin.
He's not getting an iPhone.
Shut up, Gordon. I'm like,
Hey, Gordon.
Hey, Kevin.
At least I have a phone.
no, you don't, Kevin.
At least he
Watch this cunt. Ready?
And he would have the guy.
Ah! Woo! Can you see that? What the heck? It's like blurry. Oh, crap, it got more blurry. Okay, I think we should stop now. My phone's gonna, die. Gordon, look how blurry this is. Yeah.
What does that do?
Ew! What?
Just spit on your phone.
Yeah, they'll rub it out. Oh! That's the kill. Oh! Okay, so the lesson here is spit on your phone. Might be disgusting, you might hate it, you might regret it, but when you do it 20 times, it might work. Okay? So trust me. And that's our show.
Bye.
Do you like my nostrils?